we have many useful functions. One of those it is random function, which it is very simple but very useful. I create a label. Allow me to remove the caption and make the font size larger on the font, maybe 16 and bold, okay. And create one command button. I could simply assign the caption with random. I double click on my command button and say label1.caption equal, just simply type RND. Random function is very flexible and very simple. If I run the macro, or in this case my form, and click, as you see generating some decimal values. Okay, I close it, and note that we have even more than 0 or 1, 4.5, 0.29, 0.38, 0.30, and it could be much more decimals or much value. Allow me to bring, if you saw was 8, I click slowly to show you more values, for example 9.79. But it is smarter than this. For example, if I give it some variable specified with data type such as integer, I define it I as integer, alright, and assign the random this time inside of the variable I equal RND, and this time display I. Now not only it is trimming or removing the decimal point, if you note that only generate different random values between 0 and 1. So it is not just simply randomizing and rounding. It is not going far than 0 or 1, which it is ideal in this case. If you want to give the range, you could simply multiply it by any value you want. For example, let's say 5 asterisk multiply by RND. Now it's generating between 0 to 5. Okay, if I run it and make it randomized number, it will generate it only between these numbers. And why is that? Because if you remember, when we assigned to the integer was generating between 0 and 1, and any values between 0 and 1 multiplied by 5 could be range of 0 to 5. Even you could go more than this. For example, if you don't want to generate between 0 to 5, if you want to generate between 1 to 5, I could say with this and plus 1. But note that because it's always getting plus 1, so never gonna generate 0. Let's generate to show you some other values. Between 1 to 6. And we have even more flexibility, which maybe I mention on the future, but for now it is ideal. So by simply multiplying the range of value and RND, we could generate that. As an example, I want to assign this random for random color for any text or any background color in any elements or even inside of Microsoft Word.